Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to use sound recognition on your iPhone. This feature is especially useful for those who might be hard of hearing, so let's get started. Go to the home screen. From there, tap on the settings icon to open the settings menu. Once you're in settings, scroll down until you find the option called accessibility. Tap on accessibility and then scroll down until you see the option labeled sound recognition. It's usually located in the hearing section. Tap on it. The first thing, you'll turn on the feature. Once sound recognition is turned on, a new option will appear: sounds. Tap on this. Here you'll see a list of sounds categorized into things like alarms, animals, household, people, and more. For example, I'm going to select shouting, so I just tap on it and then turn the switch on next to it. Now let's test it out. So after I shout now, then iPhone show a notification of shouting. And that's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tips and easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.